Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FamilyMath421.
421. The first thing I asked you guys to do today was pick a zone project. And what'd you do?
We built this. It was a challenge that said which is taller, a icosahedron made out of the long blues or an icosahedron made out of the short blues stacked on top of the icosahedron made out of mediums.
Wow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna zoom in on that. Keep it exactly where it is right now. I'm gonna zoom in on that shape, and maybe can you rotate it? Just kind of spin it a little bit, and that'll help people see what you made. That's pretty cool. So that's an icosahedron made out of long blues, and on the inside you put an icosahedron made out of mediums and an icosahedron made out of shorts. Can you just lay it down on the ground now? And then just tilt it over just a little more. No, other way. There, and then you can sort of see.
You can see they're the exact same size.
Okay, so what made you decide to investigate that by putting it on the end, putting the two on the inside?
Well, it was going to be harder to just hold them up to each other.
Uh-huh.
So it's just to show that they were just exactly the same size, no differences. We put them inside.
That's really cool. Okay, and then what'd you do next?
Then we tried to see if we could make one of our 120-sided dice out of zone.
Okay, and how did that work?
Well, we couldn't. It failed, but we had some promising ideas.
Okay, so let's talk about the promising ideas.
So first there is this one,
Okay.
which
was single face.
it was a single face of our 120-sided dice.
Okay.
But we weren't sure if this was going to work because we had only one of these.
All right.
Then we tried this, and this seemed really promising.
Okay, what is this that you
This
tried?
shape here.
Uh-huh.
So instead of trying to build the individual faces, we looked at the pentagons
Okay.
and stellated them. This seemed promising until we discovered that to build the pentagon, we had to build the pentagon going up from here.
Yeah, it's a little hard to explain this. Basically, instead of pointing out, the yellow struts and the blue struts, when you build the pentagon, they're pointing in.
So it doesn't quite work.
Yeah. It was too bad because we actually thought that was going to be a pretty good approximation.
Flip it over and you can't do it because there's.
Right, you need it. They're going the wrong way.
And
So
then-
it's a weird problem we sometimes encounter with the Zome. But anyway, it was interesting to see.
So then we tried to do this flipped over, but there was no holes for the yellows.
Uh-huh.
So we tried to do it out of greens, but it turns out they were just a bit too far away.
They were just a bit too far away.
The zone ball in.
Okay.
For
So
some reason, a couple of them were like higher than the others.
I think some of the zone struts were just like arched.
Huh.
Something like that, right?
But, well, we gave it a good try. It would have been cool if we could have built that 120-sided dice out of Zome, but
Yeah.
turned out we couldn't. Okay, hey, that was a great project this morning, guys. Good job.